Hello student, this is Ajay Gupta and welcome you in Mathematics lecture 6. Dear students, a notification for you. Please purchase your book and copy from your stationery and please do their work on your fair copy. That means अगर आपके आसपास स्टेशनरी की शॉप ओपन हो रही है तो प्लीज़ आप वहाँ से अपना बुक और कॉपी परचेज कर लें और जो भी वर्क यहाँ पे दिया जा रहा है आप सारा वर्क अपने फेयर कॉपी पे कर सकते हैं. नाउ लेट्स बिगिन योर टॉपिक word problem on a number operations. In this type of problems you have given the problems in a word, so please first read carefully the questions and after the write the notification notice from your problems. First, a businessman earned this 36 lakh 48,970 rupees in a year 2014. Next year his earning was increased by 9,56,880 rupees. What was his earning in the next year 2015? So first write the information given in the question. Earning of the man in the year 2014 this rupees, and next increasing in earning during next year. They are increasing in earning 9,56,880 rupees. So man's total earning in 2015, their earning in 2014 and their increase salary during 2015. So total earning of the man in 2015 will be add their 2014 salaries and their increasing. This is the first type to solve this question. First write the given value in this way: ones place, tens place, thousand, 100 place, 1,000 place, 10,000 place, lakh place and 10 lakh place. 0 is the ones place, so put 0 at the one place. 7 is the tens place, 9 at the 100 place, 8 at the 1,000 place, 4 at the 10,000 place, 6 at the lakh place and 3 is the 10 lakh place. In the same way write the another money. After this we will add this. I hope you know the addition of the numbers. 0 plus 0 0, 7 plus 8 5 15, carry 1, 9 plus 8 17 plus carry 1 18. Similarly add all numbers. We get 46 lakh 5,000, 46 lakh 5,850 rupees. So total earning in 2015 man's total earning in 2015 is 46 lakh 5,850 rupees. This is your required answer. Same word problem, but in this we subtract the given. The total population of a city is this. If the number of the males is this, find the number of the female in the city. Total population, that means the population of men and female, is 2,87,56,304. In this, the number of males is 1,69,87,059. Find the number of female. So to find the number of female, subtract the number of males from total number of population. And this is the second type to use this method to solve the word problems. First, write the total population. This is the total population of the city, 2,87,56,304, and this is the total population of males. When you separate the number of males from the total population, we get the number of females, as you see. So number of female in the city, 1,17 lakh 69,245. This is your required answer. This is your exercise questions. Please try to solve this from question number 1 to 5. Thank you.